And welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily search by image in Google. To do that, just go to your Google Chrome or Firefox and type image.google.com and hit enter. You will be directed to this page. Click on the search by image. If you have a URL, an address of the picture, you can paste it and click search by image, or you can just easily click upload an image, choose file, look for the picture which you have from your holidays or from your phone and click open. After the upload, Google will launch automatically the research and it will give you all the available results. If you want to do another research, all what you need to do is click on this clear, or you can just click on search by image, again upload image, and check for a second picture and click open, and the search will be loaded again. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you guys. If you are facing any issues or still need help, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to produce more video tutorials, please press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.